Hello everybody, and welcome back.
My name is Angie one more time.
My name is Nick.
And my name is Alex, and today we're going to trade a little bit.
Yep. For all of those who are joining us, maybe
Hello everybody, sorry.
welcome back. For all of those of you who may be joining us for the first time today, I just want to give you a little briefing. This is day 2 of our trading challenge, the trading strategy challenge, and today we are going to trade with Nick and Alex. Actually, every single day this week from Monday through Friday at this same time, which is 2 p.m. UTC, we're going to come out live with you and we're going to trade using different trading strategies, but also the different analysts. We are going to follow different conditions. So it's kind of like a game and a challenge. It's going to be very interesting, and I do want to remind you, my friends, to please make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss our releases. You want to make sure that you hit the notifications bell, and likewise, of course, give us a like, show us your support. We always appreciate that. Now, my friends, before we proceed, I want to mention that during yesterday's stream, we asked you guys to leave comments below the video, and today we are going to raffle risk-free trades. We did have the YouTube had some technical difficulties and or technical problems, whatever the case may be. Some of the comments were not present below the video, so we are going to ask you to go ahead and leave your comments below the video. Let me go ahead and share my screen so I can show you what's going on. Give me just a moment here. Alrighty, I hope that you can see my screen. So basically, this is the video from yesterday. I'm going to copy and paste this link in chat for you in just a moment. So basically, what you want to do is you want to scroll down the video and leave your comments below in the comments section. You can ask your questions, you can leave your thoughts and comments, whatever, or just give us a shout out, and don't forget to make sure to leave your account ID number. And during the stream, of course, we are going to raffle some risk-free trades. Now, my friends, what we're going to do is I do have a little presentation, kind of like a game for our dear analysts today. But what we're going to do is Nick, will you tell us about the what you guys are going to be doing today?
Yes, for sure, Angie. So may I ask you to start sharing your screen at first? Yes, so my friends, that's I'll be able to be on a full screen. So thank you very much. And actually, well, at first we're gonna check the sound and the picture. Yes, well, Angie forgot to mention these, but my friends, so please leave your comments in chat that everything's fine with the sound and the picture. Okay. So I see that Yaroslav is with us in chat. So the market is not good today. Well, that's fine. So we'll try to do something with that. Well, I don't know how, but anyway. Okay. Well, speak Indonesian. No, unfortunately, we don't. English or French, maybe. Okay. So Squid Game. Well, some type of. I don't know, this platform is real or fake. Okay, so beautiful Pakistan. So it's absolutely real. Well, anyway, so if you have any other questions, so you may leave them below this video. My friends, do you have any problems with the sound and the picture wall at first? All fine. Yes, all fine. So guys, well, as for today, so today we are going to compete with Alex. And at first, we are going to choose the strategy. Yeah, so the strategy which we'll use. So during our trading session. And then we will have, 10 minutes, each of us will have 10 minutes to trade. And we are going to open trades with the usage of this strategy. And who earns more is the winner. Yes.
So we do have our trading accounts ready for this battle, and we're going to trade with a $100 deposit. Actually, Nikolai, I have a little bit more than $100, but we won't count this for an two. So we're going to open up a trades for $10 each, and we're going to use two different strategies, and we'll be randomly choosing the strategy by the Angie's presentation, and each of us will have 10 minutes to trade, but before we trade, we will explain the trading strategy and what are we actually going to do with this. And while one of us is trading, the other person, the other competitor will comment.
Yeah, well, I guess so. But at first, we need to choose. So who will be the first? So Angie, may I ask you to use these heads and tails games so that we'll choose who is the first to choose the strategy and who's going to be the first to trade. Yeah, so I stop sharing my screen so that you will be able to. Okay. So,
Alrighty, so I hope that you can see my screen now. Back to me. Once again, I'm going to be just the host today, but don't you guys worry. This week, I'm going to be trading as well, just a little bit later on in the week. Alrighty, so let me just refresh this page so that everything is fair. Who's going to be heads and who's going to be tails?
well, hats.
Okay, I have no choice.
Alrighty, 1, 2, 3.
So, and Angie is flipping the coin, and so let's have a look.
It is heads.
Oh, great. So
guys
it
don't
will
go
be me
first.
again. It will be me again. So my friends, and Angie is going to start the presentation. So we don't know what strategies we have. So below these pictures, but still we're going to choose the picture. Well, as for me personally, I guess that I will choose the star. Yes, well,
Because
I guess
you
that's
are the star.
because I am the star. So that's for sure. So the star, Angie, please.
Yeah, Nick is the star because actually he won during the challenge yesterday, the opening of the challenge. If you guys missed it, definitely check out the videos. It was super cool. We had like a scalping alternative. All right, so what's hidden behind the star is going to be the Japanese pearl strategy.
Thank you very much. Well, the Japanese pearl. Yeah, why not?
Okay,
And
so
Alex, how about you? Which one do you choose?
so I do have 3 options left, and you know, I like green color because I like green candles and I like the green profit. So I'm going to stick up with a green circle.
Alrighty, let's check it out. Let's check it out. So you're a bull on the market.
Yeah, relative strength
Relative
slope.
strength. Well,
Okay,
not
we
bad,
do
not
have
bad, not bad.
2 interesting RSI related strategy actually. So
Alrighty. Let me go ahead and stop my demonstration. And guys, let's get this party started. I do have a timer set here for 10 minutes, just like yesterday. So I'll be watching the time. And in the meantime, while we're trading, while we're explaining what the analysts are doing, we are also going to tell you some news and the upcoming events as well.
Well, that's great. So, my friends, so I will start with this strategy, which is called Japanese pearl. Well, actually, the strategy is based only on one indicator, which is called Ichimoku cloud. So you may find this indicator in the indicator section. Yes, so Ichimoku clouds actually. This indicator is quite complicated, but the strategy is quite simple. Well, I need just 2 lines, my friends. Yeah, so this is Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. And what is the main idea here is that when Tenkan-sen line, so this is a yellow line, breaks the red line, which is Kijun-sen line, in this case, if it breaks it up, in this case, it gives us a signal to trade up. And otherwise, so if this yellow line breaks this red line down, well, in this case, I got a signal to trade down. Of course, this is a trend strategy. Yes, well, unfortunately, I cannot use this strategy in flats. So, for example, so when you see such market, so this is gold. Yes, when you see that there is a flat on the market, unfortunately, it is useless. But if there is a trend on the market, well, in this case, I may use it. So let's try to start. So let's try with from the very beginning. Yes, so I will have a look at the most profitable assets on FTT. So GBP USD. So while I'm trading, so I will comment my trades. So 10 minutes I have to open trades. Okay, so no signals, unfortunately, on 1 minute time frame. Well, as for 5 minutes time frame, the same. Yes. Next one is Asia Composite Index. So I'll try to find signals as fast as possible. So 1 minute, 5 minutes, nothing. Well, unfortunately, so next one is Commodity Composite Index. And here you see that the yellow line is approaching the red line. Unfortunately, there is no signal yet, but still.
Actually, there is one signal.
You see it?
One sort of a signal.
One sort of.
Yeah, so this is not. Oh, actually.
Oh, wow, that's great.
We do have a signal right now.
That's great. So I'll open a trade. Actually, so this will be my first trade. I opened my trade down, my friends. So the duration is 1 minute. Actually, I have time to increase the duration. Yeah, so I can open my trade. So well, for 5 minutes, even yes, even for 8 minutes or 10 minutes, even yes. So I do have time. But so let's analyze. So let's have a look at some other assets. So Europe Composite Index, nothing here. Euro USD, nothing, unfortunately. USD Canadian dollar. Well, you see, my friends. So here we see the signal. Alex, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's some sort of a signal.
But it looks like a flat. Yes, it looks like a flat, my friend. So that's why actually it's quite dubious. Yes, well, I'll try to open maybe, but I will increase the duration. So maybe I'll open it for 5 minutes or something like that. So my first trade was closed in plus, and my second trade will be opens with the 5 minute duration. Okay, so next one is Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Guys, so while I'm trading, so while we are waiting, I do remind you that you may leave your comments just below this video. Yes, so this is the previous video. So please, if you want to take part in a raffle, if you want to get risk-free trades, so leave your comments below this video, and soon Angie will choose 5 winners. Don't forget to leave your ID numbers, okay? So next one is, so let's have a look. Nothing here. Australian dollar and Switzerland franc. Well, the trend is bearish. The trend is bearish, so both lines are decreasing.
Actually, you know, you can divide your screen into two.
And yeah. What?
If you want to take a look at two different
time frames. Yes, so you mean. Well, I prefer to work like this, actually. So
okay.
This is
it's like up to you. Just one of the options. You know?
Just more comfortable, yeah. Okay, so nothing here. So Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Angie, what time? What time is it? So do you have time?
You have 5.5 minutes.
Oh, well, that's nice.
I'm looking out for the comments in the meantime.
Okay. That's good. Thank you very much. So 5 minute time frame, nothing here. So basic altcoin index. So I know that Alex prefers to trade on cryptocurrencies.
Yeah.
1 minute time frame, nothing. Well, Ethereum, my friends. Well, Ethereum. So I see that there is a downtrend here. Yes. Again, 10 minutes. Well, 1 minute I'll use and down. And so let me have a look. So if the price starts getting back or not.
Actually, the cryptocurrencies are falling right now. So the downtrends are really nice opportunity to have some profit on this bearish market right now.
Well, that's nice. So I've got the chance to get profit. So that's really good. That's cool. So New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. So have a look, my friends. So this is definitely a flat. Yeah. So unfortunately, so I cannot do anything here. The same is with the 5 minute time frame. Euro and the Switzerland franc. Well. So no signals. According to this strategy, there are no signals, unfortunately. Nasdaq index. There is a small reversal on a 1 minute time frame. No intersection of the lines. So still, it looks like a flat. So I will change the asset. So 1 minute for New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. By the way, so my second trade was closed in minus, unfortunately. Yes, so just minus $10, but still I have time. So let me have a look. Euro Canadian dollar. Well, nothing here. The market, yeah, so it's quite, I don't know, quite unpredictable, well, I guess.
Actually, there is very good advice. So when you're first like starting to trade on the market, so it's like your first trade, maybe you can just make these few first trades for like $1 or something like this, just to enter the market, just to feel how it's trending right now, and this will reassure you and give you some confidence, or maybe vice versa, you will realize that the market is like different today from the market uh, wanted, that you have been trading recently, and your trading strategy is not good enough today. So this is how I'm usually doing my trades.
Well, it's a really good idea just to try to trace, and see if you see that's, well, something goes wrong. Well, in this case, it's better to stop even. Yes. Well, I see that's on Litecoin. Yes. So Litecoin, well, as Alex has said, yes. So all the cryptocurrencies are getting down. Well, in this case, there is a possibility that Litecoin continues to decrease. Well, in this case, I'll try to trade down mostly.
Actually, it was quite a good signal right here, because
for sure,
except of this crossing, we do have a crossing of the clouds, and we do have a crossing of this blue line with the chart, which is also a signal. So this was a signal with a 3 confirmation from this indicator, so it's like quite legit.
Oh well, that's really good. That's cool. So the third trade was closed in plus. Angie, what time do you have? How much time do you have?
You have about 1.5 minute left.
1.5 minute left. Well, my friend, so I don't have much time. So in this case, I'll try to have a look at 1 minute time frame right now. Yes.
Last trade, last call.
Yep. Oh well, yes. So New Zealand dollar and the Switzerland franc. So 1 minute time frame. So 1 minute trade. So let's trade up, and index DAX. FTSE 100, nothing. Euro stocks 500, well, something. So maybe I'll try to trade down. Who knows? New Zealand dollar and American dollar, nothing. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, nothing. Well, I guess, my friends, I guess 1 minute only. 1 minute only. Okay, so Euro Australian dollar looks like a signal, but well, actually, it's not.
Looks like a flat, actually.
Oh well, yes. Okay, I opened my trade down, but I'm not sure about this. Yeah, so Euro Japanese, not Japanese, but British pounds. Okay, so Dow Jones, still in flat.
Okay, Nick, you have like 5 trades.
Okay, yes. So I guess it's better to stop. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, this is very nice advice. You need to stop somewhere.
So okay, so what do I have, my friends? So 3 trades, 4 trades are in plus. Okay, so this one, I won't be so sure. Okay, not bad. So 15 seconds. It's just really close. It's really close. I'm out of the money.
It?
Okay, well,
I mean, I guess you can just wait for your close.
Yes. I'll wait for
no more new trades.
Well, okay, so my friends, 2 my trades are left. They are in plus, and right now, Alex.
It's my turn.
It's Alex's turn, so he is going to switch an account, and he's going to show you another strategy, which is called a relative strength law. Alex, please.
Okay, guys.
Oh well, sorry, my friends. Yeah, so I forgot about it.
Actually, it's not a problem. Nick, if I just wanted to mention, just waiting for your comments, my friends. I'm not sure if everybody understood what you have to do, because I'm seeing some of the comments, and some of the people are trying to leave comments, but they're not getting added. So maybe what we can try and do is we can wait until the end. After Alex, maybe some more comments will add. We'll give it, maybe YouTube is going to need some more time.
Thank you. Well, I see that in the charts, traders are writing that they cannot leave comments below in the comment section. So my friends, well, in this case, I hope that we'll think of something else. Yeah. So next time, maybe. Yeah. But still, So let's wait. So Alex will start his trading session, and then we'll have a look.
Yeah, we'll check it again at the
It's
end.
messing with us.
So that's for sure.
Okay, guys. So in this case, let's continue. So Angie, do you have my 10 minutes?
Yes, the timer has started.
Okay, guys. So the strategy that I'm going to show you today is quite simple. And Nick was showing you the trend strategy. So we need some trend movement. And I'm going to show you one of the simplest trading strategies with the oscillators, and it is used in slightly trends or maybe flat situations on the market. And so the only thing we need for the strategy is the RSI, and we can use different settings over here. We can use period number 5 or period number 7, something like this. So the main idea is to trade some sort of the signals. So what kind of signals are we going to trade? So basically we're going to trade the intersections of the RSI with these lines, with this red line representing 70% and this green line representing 30%. So the signals are the following. So when the RSI crosses 70% from the bottom down, we do have a signal to trade down over here. And vice versa. When the RSI is crossing 30% from the bottom up over here, we do have a signal to trade up. And I'm going to use this quite simple strategy in order to make some profit. So what is the main rule over here? Do not trade the vice versa intersections. I mean, this is not a signal. And this is not a signal. So we need to trade only inside this channel, only inside out. Intersections are legit and good enough. So let's start.
So as usual, so Alex starts with all the assets which we have on our platform.
Okay, I'm going to use maybe 2 or 3 minute trades with the
trade duration. Well, the amount should be
duration.
$10. Yes.
Yeah, $10 trade. So we don't have an intersection over here. So I think I'm going to switch to the 1 minute chart. Actually, I'm going to try my first trade here on the commodity index. Yeah, commodity index. So actually, this is very nice situation when we do have an intersection. So we did have an intersection. Now,
well, unfortunately,
yeah. Now we don't have an intersection, and this is the reason why some strategies looks like legit and super profitable on the history, but in the real market there can be some problems. But we just need to consider this in our trading.
What do you think of Europe Composite Index, Alex? So return back. So do you see the signal or not?
Actually, no. I can see that we have touched the 30.
Got it.
So, yeah. Okay, I'm going to make a brief
look at.
Yeah. I need only like a scratch of a second to understand do I have a signal or not. And for now, I don't. Whoa.
Oh well.
This is our new asset.
Yeah. So this is the new feature of the platform. So we need to return back to the Japanese candlesticks, my friends.
Yes. Okay. Sorry, guys. It ruins my chart a little bit. Okay. Let's continue. S&P 500.
Brent oil. Okay, well, S&P 500 is oversold right now, yes, on 1 minute time frame. So.
Yeah, something like this. If it will reverse a little bit, if it's trying to get up, there will be a signal. So we need to wait a little bit.
I guess you cannot open. Oh no, you can.
Yeah, let's try it. Okay. The best signals on the strategy is when we do have some sort of this RSI going outside this oversold and overbought zone. And if there is like a big movement of the indicator inside this zone, so more than 70% and then it's reversed back, or less than 30 and then it's reversed back. So the more, like the higher or the lower the indicator goes and reverses from these positions, the better the signal. So missed up a little bit. So
DAX index, my friends,
oh,
the
guys.
German index.
Yeah, something like this I was talking about. So we do have quite like big getting down from 30%. I don't know, maybe it's like 20 or 15%, something like this.
So
and then we return back to the 30, and then we do have this intersection, and probably we're going to rise a little bit, I hope. So that's why.
Well, the first trade was closed in plus, Alex, by the way.
Oh, very, very nice. Okay, let's continue. So actually we do have sometimes the situations like this. So we are in the negative zone for a while, and after these situations, there can be some huge instant impact to reverse and coming back to this normal range. But we just need to wait until this happens. So we did have a signal over here. Maybe I'm going to try this one too with a 2 minute duration.
So Euro stocks up, my friends. Well, the second trade was closed in minus, unfortunately.
Okay, my favorite Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is crashing down, and unfortunately, all the cryptocurrencies are falling down ahead with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is our leader, so S&P 500 of the cryptocurrencies. So we don't have any type of signal
unfortunately,
right
yes.
here. But anyways, if you're trading cryptocurrencies, consider to trade down like this recent days or weeks. Probably it will continue to get even lower and lower.
Well, my friends, so while Alex is trying to find his signals, I'd like to remind you that all the strategies, all the really interesting strategies, soon you'll find in our market. So you may use them to trade, so you may use them to earn more. So please check our updates, check our markets, bookmarks, and find all the strategies which you want.
Maybe I can mention for just 1 second, actually the whole point and like the idea behind this challenge is that soon there's going to be the new feature, like Nick mentioned, is going to be available in the marketplace, but also on the starter status, you're also going to have some default strategies as well. So it's a new feature that's going to apply the indicators automatically to the chart for different strategies. So you don't have to remember which indicators you need to choose or the different settings and stuff like that. So it's really cool.
Wow, thank you very much, Angie. So how much time Alex has?
Alex has 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes up to go. So we did have quite good signal on the Canadian dollar. I hope it will bring this trade in plus. So we did have an intersection, and we do have some down pressure over here. Actually, I was going to comment a little bit this one, the basic dollar index. So what I'm taking into consideration, except of this crossing, me personally, I take a look at the price, how it's flowing, so what it's doing. So I can see there is some sort of price channel over here, and probably so we're going to oscillate like between these two lines, and probably I can see this from my like personal vision that we are going to like get in lower a little bit. So in general, maybe I can be wrong in like one out of like some sort of situations, but I'm considering this when I'm trading and using my trading strategies. And this is like my own personal like experience. Oh man, what is going on?
So what's going on? Oh gosh, well, the United States markets,
yeah, America
has opened, yes, and you see that there are gaps in stocks. Oh, that's it.
Okay.
Alex, so let's check the trade. So you
Okay.
have one trade which is active right now. It's in plus.
Okay.
It's in plus. So still we have, my friends, 10 seconds left. So let's
Exactly, 10 seconds left.
Oh, well, now it's in minus.
Okay.
Unfortunately. So
4, 3, 2, 1.
well, so
Not my best session.
what is the results? Yes, so well, Alex has got what? Minus
Minus 20 ish, 26, 24.
minus $24. Yeah. And well, as for me, my friends, I'm lucky today. So actually I earned a little bit more than $10. Yeah. So I had like $104 and now it's $114. So that's it. Angie,
It must have been the star. It must have been the star that helped you.
well, yes, my second session was good too. Angie,
I can't wait for our battle on Thursday. Woohoo!
yeah, we'll see, my friends, we'll see. Okay, what about the comments?
Yeah, so
Angie?
we've had some I think let me see, just 1 second. Let me just updating one more time. A lot of comments were published, so I think we'll go ahead and do the raffle. So basically, if you see that you are the winner, but you don't have your account ID number, go ahead and, as fast as possible, go ahead and write them in chat. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Alrighty, so once again, this is the video from yesterday. Let me go ahead and refresh the page to make sure all the comments are there. As you can see, all your comments are here. So we had only 6, now there are 24. Woohoo! So I'm just going to take this link right here, and we're going to use a system called Raffle Dash, and we're going to choose 5 winners, and we're going to give out risk-free trades for $10 each. Alrighty, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's go. So each person can only win one time, even if there are multiple comments, my friends. Alrighty, so the first winner is going to be, I'm going to try to pronounce your names correctly. If I mispronounce them, please forgive me. Odeleya Ahmed is our first winner. Good day and happy trading meeting hours. Thank you so much. Happy trading to you too, and good day. Odeleya Ahmed, please go ahead and leave your account ID number in chat. Alrighty, so that's our first winner. The second winner, and by the way, if you don't have the time, if you don't leave your account ID number in time, go ahead and leave it. Oh, you can't leave it in the comment section. Go ahead and leave it in the chat right now. Alrighty, the next winner is going to be Tinker. Tinker, I know you were having a problem with leaving your ID, so go ahead. Our second winner, Tinker, congratulations. Go ahead and send your ID in chat. Our third winner for today is going to be Newton NGHK. This session was very informative. Thank you so much. We appreciate your feedback, and we are very happy that you enjoy our streams and the information that we provide you with. So once again, Newton, go ahead and please leave your ID in chat. This is our fourth winner, right?
Well, the third one, I guess, or not. The third one.
All right, so this is the third one.
Yeah.
So the fourth winner for today is going to be Asif Amir. Love from Pakistan. Hello, hello. Sending you love as well. So Asif Amir, also leave your ID in chat. And the last winner for today, is going to be Ankush Kumar, who's the owner of Olymp Trade. I'm not sure how this information would help you in trading. But Ankush Kumar, go ahead and leave your account ID number in chat, and we'll go ahead and send you a risk-free trade as well. Alrighty, my friends, let me go ahead and stop my demonstration. There is one thing that we haven't mentioned, my friends. There's going to be, so we have our event this week, every single day. at 2 p.m. UTC. But also, in addition to this event, there's going to be a quest that starts next week, which is going to be on December the 23rd, which is on a Thursday. And we're also going to come out live with you every single day, 5 days, even on the weekend. What? And there's going to be, of course, a quest. If you remember, there's going to be artifacts. Of course, there's going to be prizes. And, the end of the year's Christmas holidays, festivities, there's going to be a lot of sales, discounts. Oh my goodness, it's going to be really, really cool. So you make sure that you guys are subscribed.
Yeah, so my friends, so don't forget again. So as Angie has said, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss anything. And there is a special button with a ring bell. Yeah, so ring bell button so that you will get all the notifications about our new videos and new activities. And my friends, well, as for today, well, I guess that's it. So please don't forget that we have just showed you just 2 strategies, and we got a lot of them, and all of them so soon you'll find in our market bookmark. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you so much for this competition. Unfortunately, I failed, but this is just one battle.
Okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Hey guys, thank you so much for your attention, and I hope this strategy that we have shown you today will help you trading up in the market. See you next time, actually tomorrow.
Exactly. Make sure to join us tomorrow. It's going to be a really interesting conception about trading.
Yeah, it's gonna be me and Yaroslav.
Okay. So thanks a lot and bye-bye.
See you guys next time.